Я майже вгадав. Дякую. Hello friends, Taras again with you, and today I'm really glad to share with you really interesting and delicious dishes. So today we are going to Carpathians. We are going to make some banosh cornmeal. I know that's your favorite one. And with banosh, it's my favorite soup, pumpkin soup. Autumn is really good season for pumpkins. As you know, in Ukraine we have a lot of different kinds of pumpkins. So let's go cooking. And today I just want to show you one small present. It's a small present from Australia. It was like a gift for me from Peter Meska. They were with his brother and his son in Ukraine, and I will use for our cooking today. A small piece of Australia with me today. So for our banosh and for our pumpkin soup, we need next ingredients. For banosh, cornmeal, butter, mushrooms, cheese and sallow, sour cream and water, some salt and pepper to taste, and sugar also. For pumpkin soup, we need a pumpkin, 1 carrot, onion, 2 garlic cloves, and for our decorations, pumpkin seeds. Let's start our cooking. First of all, we will start from a banosh. We need to take our water and boil it. Then we need a corn flour, or as you like to say, cornmeal. Then, our water boiling, we will add about 2 cups of sour cream. Mix with the water. Then to our water with sour cream we need to add butter. It's about 2 tablespoons of butter. One teaspoon of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of salt. Good. Mix all ingredients. Then we will add cornmeal. But all the time you have to mix with the sour cream and with butter. And more. Low temperature, and all the time mix up. So for our sauces, we need to peel mushrooms, to cut salad, and to fry just salad for our cracklings, and just to slice mushrooms and cook them with sour cream. Frying pan we need to warm up. Then we are going to fry our cracklings. To make our szkwarki. Then we are going to slice our mushrooms. For our sauce, to banosh with the sour cream. There are actually a lot of recipes and names for banosh, but traditional hutul banosh, we are cooking with the sour cream, butter. But if you have like farmer sour cream or cream, you can use without butter. If you will buy in a store, use the 3 tablespoons of butter and some salt and sugar. Time of cooking is about 20 minutes. And that recipe of banosh gave me Vera Boris, local Kosiv artist. She writing Easter eggs, pisanki. And 2 years ago when we were in Kosiv with a tourist, we asked there about some recipe of that dish. So there are names for the banosh, kulesha, nachinka, or whatever, but those are different dishes. Different and different. Today we are cooking banosh. And I see that our banosh ready. Then we are going to cook our sauce with the mushrooms. Then we need to add some butter. Let's take mushrooms to the frying pan. Then we need to add some salt and pepper to taste to the mushrooms. I think crackling's ready. So our szkwarki ready. And the last. Then we have to add some sour cream. To mushrooms. And mix again. It's good. So for our pumpkin soup, we need to peel our pumpkin, Then peel all vegetables and we are going to bake them for 15 minutes, I guess. So we are going to bake our vegetables and we need just to cut them. Mushrooms ready. So we were going to bake all our ingredients. And also I will add some pepper, salt, and of course some pumpkin seeds. Also we will add some oil. That's it. And put them to the oven. With the temperature 175 degrees and for 15 minutes. So our vegetables. Okay, our next step, we are going to add all vegetables to boiling water. Then just add some salt and pepper to taste. And mix all ingredients with water. And we will add 1 tablespoon of butter. And mix all ingredients. Good. And I think that our ingredients cooked. It's me to blend them. Let's try. Soup. Don't forget about pumpkin seeds. And let's serve our banosh. Then we will add to the lines mushrooms. Cheese. Brinza cheese is the sheep milky cheese. And шкварки. So let's try our dishes. First of all, banosh with brinza. I love better with mushrooms, but with cheese was also great. And шкварки. Дуже добре. Really good. Let's try our soup. It's like notes of the autumn. Bon appetit.